Good morning. Happy 4th from New Flow Lofts, East Side, aka Break Your Neck Lofts. Just show you what I got blessed with yesterday. My partner came down from Port Richey, brought some of my old birds back, and he blessed me with some new ones. Well, let's just take a little look. First off, I got nice little pair. I'm trying to pair them up. Silver Dunbar. It's a nice little pair there. See if I can get them a nice better shot in the sun. That's the hen right in front and the cockbird in the back. Trying to pair them up. Then over here, my partner blessed me with a nice pair of silver dun grizzles. Let's check them out. Nice shot of them. That's beautiful, man. I'm gonna breed the hell out of those because that's what I want to fly. There's another pair here. This is Yellow Caps 1's blood. That print, copper print there with the cap. And it's mated on that little bronzy there. And let's go inside the coop. Got a lot of coppers. And a lot of red models. I got like 30 birds in here. I counted them. I think it's 28, 29, something like that. But this is what I'm working with so far. The new birds are just getting comfortable. Hope they find a nest box. Yeah, her eggs are about to hatch any day now. But this is what I'm working with here. Hey Danny, there's that big grizzle you gave me. Still got that bad boy. Beautiful silver grizzle there. Dun grizzle. Yeah, she's about to drop some eggs. She's made it on that black bar. I don't know what. They just made it up. I didn't put them together. But I got my print back. A couple of the reds. That's the dark. So hopefully, you know, that'll be it for me for this year. I'm just gonna let them chill out and hang out until breeding season starts again. So whatever happens, happens right now. But I'm happy I got all my birds back, and hopefully I get these young red models flying before the hawk season comes back to Florida. So I just want to say happy 4th. Everybody be safe, and God bless. Alright, peace out to all my brothers out there flying birds. All my sisters out there too, Alyssa. And what's up to my partner? Big shout out to my partner out there. And the brothers out in Palm Bay. Peace. 100. I'm out.